Welcome to the video Vort. Parsha begins this week in Bechukosai telechu vesmitzvosai tishmoru, that you shall observe the laws of the Torah and do the mitzvos. And Rashi comments on this pasuk in Bechukosai telechu. If you follow my laws, vesmitzvosai tishmoru, and you do my mitzvos, it seems to be somewhat of a redundancy, and therefore Rashi suggests, citing the Medrash, that Bechukosai telechu does not mean you shall observe my laws, but it implies and intimates another aspect of Torah fidelity, and that is Ameilus Batorah, which means investing time, energy, and effort in becoming proficient in the laws of the Torah. That, says Rashi, is what the pasuk means in Bechukosai telechu. If you follow my laws, then all these positive benefits will accrue. It's not just about following the laws, it's about Ameilus Batorah. It is about being invested in the process of becoming proficient in Torah. And why is being invested in the process seem to be equivalent to the next part of the pasuk of observing the mitzvos? In Bechukosai telechu, invest in Torah knowledge, and mitzvosai tishmaru, observe my mitzvos. They seem to be on par with one another. And I think the answer is rather clear, that although there is an ultimate goal of a person being observant of the mitzvos, knowledgeable of the Torah, and proficient in the laws, the ethos, the philosophy, the ideology of Torah, there is something that is perhaps even more significant, and that is Bechukosai telechu, that is being invested in the process. Because if we are invested in the process, then we are likely to assimilate and acquire the knowledge of Torah and make it part of ourselves and part of our lives. If we are not invested in that process of proficiency in Torah, then it will remain something superficial to our lives and superficial to our identities. And when it is superficial, it is easily shorn and easily discarded. Therefore, as we approach the holiday of Shavuos, we should commit ourselves not only to shmiras hamitzvos, mitzvosai tishmaru, but we should recommit ourselves to Bechukosai telechu, to Ameilus Batorah, to being invested, to be committed and invested in the process of proficiency in Torah. And if we do that, then perhaps our own Torah observance will be even more meaningful, and we will be able to share that meaningful purpose with our families and with our community, and create a more meaningful, purposeful, deeply divine Jewish community and religious experience. Good Shabbos.